Welcome to the first episode of STAQE, Software Testing and Quality Education. I'm quite excited to start this new initiative through which I intend to educate the software testing and quality folks on various aspects of software development. In this episode, I'm going to talk about awareness about software security. A latest report by the Linux Foundation has found out that 7 in 10 software developers rely on on-the-job training to learn how to incorporate security into their development practices. It also states that it takes up to 5 years of working to achieve minimal knowledge of security. Those facts are incredible. By software developers, I don't mean just the developers but also the testing and quality folks. There are a couple of challenges on the way for the software folks to incorporate security. One is the lack of time and the other one is insufficient awareness and training. Well, in this knowledge-filled world, and especially where Gen AI is leading the pack with its vast information databases, lack of knowledge should not be an issue, but lack of awareness could definitely be a problem. And it's important to address it by constantly educating the software development team, which is pretty important. Lack of time is just a matter of prioritizing and putting security in the left, right, and center of software development lifecycle. I have spoken about this in some other videos of STQT also. Just like the other important pillars like performance and usability, it is important to have security too while designing and developing software. You may ask how? Well, how about starting with something basic as threat modeling? It is also important to know that many of the vulnerabilities in software belong to a small set of categories like buffer overflow or SQL injection. It is quite strange that organizations and enterprises are not addressing these basic things while developing and maintaining software. Now you ask, how can I help as a software tester or as a quality professional? It's quite simple, but it may not be easy. First thing is to engage with your penetration testing and red teaming folks, if you have them in your organization, and take part in the discussions on how software could be attacked and how it can be avoided. The second thing is to learn threat modeling and take part in threat modeling discussions with your security team. In fact, I recently did a podcast with the industry threat modeling expert Adam Shostak, and we talked about how testers can get engaged as one of the key topics in that podcast. I am putting the link in the comments, so watch that podcast. Hope this note gives you some insight into how to address software security in the software development lifecycle. Let me know your feedback and comments in the comments section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you and have a good one.